Scrappy friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working in my homemade kit with the lovely ladies here on YouTube, and I am starting off with one of my ledger papers in the kit, and I'm taking this heart, almost like a polka dot pattern stencil, and going through it with iridescent modeling paste so it has a little bit of a sheen to it. Now doing this, I wanted to have it throughout the whole layout because I wanted to use all those tags for this layout, including my pictures that I'm going to make into tags. So it was hard to get, it to look flawless or seamless where they all will meet. But I did my best, and I think once the tags are on it, it won't be as noticed anyway. But then what I also do while this is wet is add just white flat glitter to take away some of the sheen from the iridescent modeling paste as well, which actually came out really good because you can see some texture, it's dimensional, and some of it's shiny, and some of it's chunky with glitter, and I really like the look. And so that will be the background, and I let that dry for a few minutes, and then I come back and start layering up my tags. So if you are following along, this is our second month doing this for the love of homemade kits, and it's really gotten me into my stash, which I really can appreciate, and it's gotten me on at least a weekly commitment of scrapbooking, which can sometimes be difficult in my mom life. So that's the basic layout that I'm going with right now, and I start to cut some fun foam and wanted to raise all of them up onto fun foam in order to have some more dimension. I think these are all from the same collection, if I'm not mistaken, and I do believe it's a very, very old crepe paper collection, and it's most likely Valentine's Day themed since one of the tags does say Happy Valentine's Day. So I do go ahead and add either twine or very thin pink rickrack to all my tags, and I love the way that comes out. With the rickrack, I do use my tiny attacher to attach them to my tags, and all the other ones get kind of like a gold and white twine lace throughout all of them, which is really cute. In the end, it's just a nice detail to make them look like tags. I like adding that ribbon to them. So the pictures I am scrapping are of me and Valentina at the park one day. I did them all in black and white so they didn't compete, and I'm using my We Are Memory Keepers, what is this, a tag punch board or something. I really like this thing. However, you do have to keep the tags to a certain size. It really doesn't do large ones. But, usually if you just cut one corner and place it on the other side, it'll replicate the same angle that you've already closed. And so I put the twine through these pictures as well. So the picture one, Valentina is obsessed with chasing squirrels up the trees when we're there. So whenever she sees one, she darts towards it, runs around the palm tree, waiting for the squirrel to come down, and she's like uttering like, "I'm gonna get you, I get you, I get you." It's adorable. And then I just kind of did a selfie real quick of us, and then she does enjoy the swings, and it was just a cute moment of her just kind of staring out, probably either at other kids or other families. She's a very observant child. Maybe too cautious sometimes. It's cute to watch her demeanor around others. And so I just did the 3 across the middle, and then it comes into being like a square / rectangle just because the tags are a bit longer, but I do kind of keep a very geometric or symmetrical grid layout for this one. And what I do recall afterwards too is that I gave a was it good spacing on like the left side, but the right side I feel like doesn't have as many heart rows. I should have kept that in mind. Like I think I have 4 hearts on the left of the tags, and over here they're only going to be 3. So it's a little off balance, but it still works. These are just probably things I noticed. No one else would probably tell me that. I know, I'm obsessive. So on that bottom one, because there was very little of that aqua color throughout the tags, I did layer up a tinier pink one, and so that there are aqua colors throughout the whole thing as well. But I just wanted to kind of block out some of it. So yes, it's not a perfect grid, but you know what, it works. And then I kept my embellishments really simple, I would say. For the rest, I found a jar or a little case of heart-shaped buttons, and then I had pink and red glitter, and then I bought out this pack too, and I use the black thickers that say "so cute" or "too cute" in black, because I like these ones too that you see on the left. they're like a hot pink chunky glitter, but I just wanted it to stand out more, and since the fact I use black and white photos, I thought using the black script would be better. Then I'm going in with enamel dots. These are like an iridescent, like aqua, pink, and white pack, which I do like, and they're very old, so all the sticky stuff laid still on like the transparency piece, and I had to add extra glue to the enamel dots for them to stick. But I do like the little bit of embellishments. Now, I thought I was going to start going ham and tucking things behind it, but I decided not to because I was like, you know, Evie, stop. Like, let's just keep it simple. It looks nice and clean and fresh right there. Don't go crazy. And I did, actually, if you notice too, attach all of these tags with the fun foam behind it with the hot glue, because my Scotch tacky glue does not work when you have a mixed media background. I have learned that the hard way, so hot glue gun it up. So that will be my layout. Thank you so much for joining me. I will leave the playlist down below for the other ladies. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Please just give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, just a little splatters in the corners, and that will wrap up my layout. Thanks so much. Have a good day.